we Asantehene innocent o Dormaahene na wakofa aba first aid yo
abonofo a yehia na nanu wanima ne die kwan so ho ba kosa no nka ukoda yo tom ayi da ho da ye nti na binum ba kan abakosam na
abakosam mo pepa no a eyeye na Ghana for trust ye be pepa abakosam
we nkwa de na beka obia ka chiro se ye betima komfo no te say me ama bibi afiri sura Agyeman Badu antoso any no
if you don't know the history, keep quiet. If you don't know the history, keep quiet. People hate to hear the truth. People don't want to hear the truth. People are running from the truth.
Na no kura ya kan sikaja kofi no be yidi ba dwam no won say na ba soso
Asantefo blacksmith no mde asoso sikadwa enye wasem opa nso fa blacksmith ko soso ode na to ne din obonodwa
enti se mugidi se aduana eyoja na ye kramaya no oja tuana no wa abra minim se so ode ja tua kramaya no a anhwe akramaya ne be hyehye a enu de wugidi ade na obi nso se ne sikadwa firi sora enu de wunyini
akase ne Dormaahene ono no tete abonofo na Asantefo ntem nka ele be nyina ye nipa baako saa de no benga unim beka unim yo kire ne ne baba se ba kire ne se wo nka wa bakosem mamenku amenka ma bakosem no de no nyede asem ni nyina ho na ete
ehu
asamo amunim history no modi enhwa mache matena se ama ya politu adwenya ma se etoda wo ka de ye no kura ni feel say you are conjuring certain things from certain baby how you have no idea and matena se achesa
your history me ni Ghana ha say your addition history na history de matemamufo mumusua ti de mumusua ne ye temamufo history eni ti na wa adwenya o say na say na tie eni sa na tie
na de ti say ba ma bia ni sabi akanman mu ana Ghana ha na dipa ba ko pe na o kan sama holo nye ho na da sa de ne ntina ho da Agyeman Badu ndi ba de ba boso
enti mo bi class me ti Asantehene ya yenti me ko e tire mo se nya sa na tie
History anase mpanisam anase abakosam eya de a ye de chichire man yetie de atwa mu na ye fa e de tenetene de wo seseye ne emfa nse no.
Hello, Abusumafo, ladies and gentlemen. I want to believe so by the grace of Jesus Christ in Munyana Mohoya. I'm say video here, me baby, a sansu yama reho, a sansu yame and ibre like me didn't who I'm into me who senya missing fa enyano. Nanso so I was some shame ho de na metimi yes video we. Nina no ni say eh na Dormaahene. Em say sa o hini we say ojunso na wa mo Asantehene. Sami fan say okojane nai na wa mo Asantehene. Em say okojare na wa mo Asantehene. Odidi anase ojina court anase emfa honi babia obegina wa mo Asantehene na wa mo opimso Osei Tutu a yam say otenasia entena. I think so omemu ha no the number one problem owo kese pa ene yam say Asantehene oni me fan say yana oni ni any problem oni yabonra oni ni any problem oni me fan say togbe eni asembia oni me fan say enkranfo hene eni asembia obi a oni ne wo asem kese ewo oman Ghana mu ha ene Asantehene ene Asantefo minim boni a Asantehene dia ye no ene boni Asantefo dia ye no obi na no bia na okasa awose obo Asantehene din anase awose obo Asantefo din na se mo beka ya na nse yen ene omokoye bono champion council meeting bi na bono champion asem na mo kan Asantesi musai Asantehene so esi musai afede hwa na wabu asim afede na oka Asantehene wasem afede nia obaba be kan say the Golden Stool no ai enya no kure free through na baye eni ade mintimi nkyere sara say Golden Stool free through na baye ana say free through na baye even though na me Asantehene I think it is time say yeah baby sa ye ho some questions be about some historical narratives ye nananom e ka kire ye what I say enukre anasa nyenukre, but that is not the point. Ebani say na obi a odidwa etim kum ni yonko a odidwa say na be obetimi edidwa enti asante anasa akan mamu no yebu ba bi say yenkum odwafo enidwa. What you say? Wote akonyere bi so wo krampo wo so na oye aduana piesie na aduana fo no matese yese mokraboa eye na kraman a eja etuana no sa eno de na Dormaahene agidi say kraman betimi akopeja edija no etuana no, something that is impossible. It is not possible say kraman betimi akofeja edi etuana no edi aba. It is not possible. It's a bit more possible. I just say na a miracle, because miracles there it be mania any humanly possible, it be very possible. And no dear na Dormaahene Agyeman wedi nemum he is mocking the Asantes say almost Golden Stool if free the skies and the bio na arahosam no so and say Golden Stool ono no wafa obedi na dear no has bowed to the Golden Stool before, because his uncle used to worship at the Mensah Palace. And Golden Stool ya okan wasemu, he has bowed to the Golden Stool before. His ancestors have bowed to the Golden Stool before, and then he is mocking it. I record somebody say, and you're gonna afford to do na, and yet abono for the do na, and a sabi, omunum yansa, and utino. The Dormaahene and Tokano, who PP amount for Edumo Abeto and Tokwanima. People are not smart, people are not wise enough to know, say, Yadi Yane Asantehene, and Asantehene Elias Bia, Etiwo, the Dormaahene. So say, when you're on Tokwa, now Wokua. Many people are not smart, and it is another Dormaahene airqua, not Omunso so edinechi. I rehearse somebody say, Nana Dormaahene, we share woman on Yomu Ekasano. When Timianka asre Simbia or Ama Omu Amani so Amo Musem Anidi. The only time Umbeba so and I say Umbe the day say, Nana Dormaahene Akan Asantiasem. And yes, Unya de say Asantepe, and I say Unya de say Asantehene pe, Ubeti ye, Nafidi Omubo Musem. Meaning say, dear ma umwani jiani say na Dormaahene ebedi di Asante any Asantehene atem. Say na Dormaahene anka Asante any Asantehene asama. Nenka meeting no, nenka ye very boring, because there was no laughter, there was no cheers, there was no happiness on the faces of the people. The only time you hear the people happy, the only time you hear the people clapping is when Dormaahene was dissing the Asantes or dissing the Asantehene. This is very, very sad. But I was very surprised, Twene Jonas of all people, said he heard this and then he came to give Dormaahene warning. Twene Jonas of all people, can you imagine? He's giving Dormaahene warning and then he says Dormaahene, and yet I believe a time is going to come. Ghana for the door now, Omupenukre, and I say Ghana for the door now, Omunum Yansabi Hunuse, and yet Asante, and I say, and yes, Asantehene, NABA, a cause of problem, Nimum, Dormaahene. I will say, Onoso Esan Kasano, Onoso Esan Ebeyatum say, he was asking the people, say, someone to say, there be almost say, aye, Nenka, there was peace between the Asantes and the Bono, na Ayame, na Dormaahene, and a mama and Toka, Abeda Yentem, and Yanukre, and Yanukre, and then a chess and Yanukre, a day teen chess and Yanukre, because for a very long time, Ubia Mudi, our Mensah, and by the side of Woody, so Jinabe Bia, now can't say, I just obo Asante, and Asantehene, and you're very, very bad. Ghana for Mumayan, sorry, na Yetimuno said, Papa, he doesn't promote peace. He doesn't promote peace. I don't know, he doesn't promote peace. So it is time for all Ghanaians, all honest and decent, wise Ghanaians to stand up and say, Nana Dormaahene, Jadi Oyeno, because and yet, Fasum Emma or my Ghana. I don't tell you, without wasting my time, I want us to go and listen to near Nana Dormaahene Kaya, Nafe Medina, Twene Jonas, and among Fobi Muso Aka, like. Almost everybody is now getting to know the true identity of Dormaahene. Look at the time Asantehene, they are even mourning their queen mother. Asantes, we are mourning our queen mother. That is the time you want to come and attack us. That is the time you want to ridicule us. That is the time you want to mock us. Hey, the Asantes are mourning their queen mother. They are mourning their queen mother. That is the time you want to come and fight them. That is the time you want to come and attack them. Dormaahene, oh, you are a very callous, insensitive person. Because I don't understand why you have met. You are talking about Bono Champion Council. Talk about the things you want to do. Talk about how the Bono people can develop. Talk about how the Bono Champion Council can lift themselves up and be recognized in the country. Why do you have to mention Asantehene's name? Why? Because he cannot train without the Asante. In fact, the reason why many people know him in Ghana now is because he fought the Asantehene. If he had not fought the Asantehene, how many people had known Dormaahene prior to that? How many people? The only reason why he is becoming popular in Ghana now, or has become popular, it is because he fought the Asantehene. Look at all that he is doing. He is not going to promote peace. This man can bring war into this country. It is time for people to be smart and know that the man is not fighting for Ghana. He is not fighting for the Bono people. He is not fighting for the common good for human beings. He is fighting for himself. I want to believe that he is very, very egotistic. I want to believe that he is very, very egotistic, and he is just hiding behind the kingship. He is hiding behind the Bono Regional House of Chief Leadership. He is hiding behind all that just to fight the Asante people. And you know, let us go and listen to what Dormaahene said. The message said, if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. I want to believe so. I want to thank you in advance. Please share it to others if possible. Share my fufro. Together. Thank you very much.
Yenti amaji akasa mu mpese nkasa pa ne se abonofo a yehia na nan wani ma ne die kwan so ho ba ko se no nka ukoda yo tom ayi da ho da ye nti na binim ba ka ba ko se na a wenku ada na baka obi a ka chiro se yebetima komfo ne te se ni ama bibi afiri so a Agyeman Badu antoso enye no kura na no kura ya kan sikaja kofi no be yidi ba dwam no won hu se ne ba so won hu se ba so na so odi anu ya mpanto na ye koye nim na brofo ho nka ho abakosem ti na be ka tia ye obi wo be ka sa Agyeman Badu a otoso mienu menem pasem nana da bia be kwasai ofi wa de okoso de nana social media nana nim say men say wadaje wonim ne okoso ma nko ba bi ka bi ma ne kotoso ma hu say be de anode amrada to ade bi osesa ya bakosem nti say yanhwe ye ni angina ho a ya bakosem ne bayira nsa ne bi wo ho utia no kreni ayana mu oya ayana mu oya papa na ere ne de a ti se ba ma bia ni sabi Agyeman mu ana Ghana ha na dipa ba ko pe na o kan sama olo nye ho na da sa de ne ntina ho da Agyeman Badu ndi ba de ba boso o ma me ka ba ko on chere me wi oni nipa no wo ho a oni ne ba kan aka se ne Dormaahene ono no tete abonofo na asantefo ntem nka ele ba nyina ye nipa ba ko sa de no bengan unim beka uni ni okire ni ne ba pese ba kire ne se wo nka wa ba kosem ma menku amenka ma ba kosem no de no nye de asem ni nyina ho na tie na ma mu ya to amma binum da bia amanyoku yi beba ne be ko akoye se ba ko pe ne de ne hia ti da bia ba ko ne de ne ya be yo
Dormaahene for steady o na jai se o cause problem no matisi ye se o wa begina o se asantefo no o mu sikadwa no anya sikadwa bia eye blacksmith fo na asoso ho ni nyina wanko kasa na anya den wa nkasa no wo je ntokwa too much Dormaahene wo je ntokwa too much nonsense internet no so I am fine ama asantefo ne abonfo hia omo ho abrochiri a oma dan anuafo entima mo san ko kanto kwa megum panifo amon na ese mutu nipa fo ntokwa si a na ma ye dan ma ba bechi nkura na tena na nkamatu omofo no mum na da bia ntokwa hunu we Asantehene ye innocent wo Dormaahene na wakofa aba first study o Dormaahene me poasem enti first study na me poasem pa enti me mpese a obeka ntokwa bio asantefo blacksmith no mde asoso sikadwa enye wasem opa nso fa blessmate koso so odi na to ne din obonodwa ana ai money seat eye wa wasem na gya asantefo na omo nso omo ayi omo sikadwa obi ani ni lemu
na wo so wunyi ni se sikadwa firi soro ne bae doma abakosem mu no ya metate se mo se aduana mu yi oja na ye krama ya na oja etuana no nana me no tu wo sesi ei krama ya ni tifie so hu se boche aso a enya de obetimi mpo akwakofa ho sanse the moment a eja ne befa ne ho pe wan hwe ani hu nwi mpo ni nyina bekuku enti se mugidi se aduana eyi oja na ye krama ya na oja tuana no wa abra minim se so odi jatua krama ya no a anhwe akrama ne be hyehye a enu de wugidi ade na obi nso se ne sikadwa firi sora enu de wunyini Otumfuo Osei Tutu edi Asantehene so na wadaroma udi doma so na yenkum dwafo ni dwa abri bia no obi de unyini na emom wo de yanyintum and first of all said the maker no the reason why amudi hia eho no sankomo we ne nsese piem wanhwe yi a obi beka se ebi a eye ni bre anase bi eye otan meti hayi menkai tamwa Otumfuo Osei Tutu ebu odwa ekofa adoma asem se bi adoma abakosem bi ana adoma amamre bi wanyini na emum ka hunu se konfobone hyankomtro se kuromu a ya na ne refi se kuro no bo a ono nso timu bie
ya na obi ya na adwen so ne Asantehene ye pa nya nokore efi se akonwa bi e wo memu ha no titiri aka memu ha no eye paramount stool no mo Asantehene no all the paramount stools no na konfa no chichire kasiya ba ko de to esoro nti wontumi mfa Asantehene mafom so eye paramount chief te se mampo hina no ofin so hine we ya sa na chese wunim abakose wunim amambere
wow
Akomo brekomo sasa breko na bona mope Akomo brekomo sasa breko na bona mope Akoba madiache obrekwe anayeno Akoba madiache Akomo brekomo sasa breko na bona mope Akomo brekomo sasa breko na bona mope Akoba madiache obrekwe enayeno Akoba madiache
ɛka no but ɛnema no bi wɔ hɔ nom a ɛyɛ nokorɛ na ɛyɛ nokorɛ